stop for a second. Let me ask you something very honestly.
When you try to speak English, what happens inside your head?
Do you first think in your own language?
Do you translate every word?
Then panic.
Then forget everything you wanted to say.
Your mouth wants to speak.
Your brain feels slow,
Heavy.
confused.
And you think, why can't my brain think in English?
Why do I always translate?
Why do native speakers speak so fast and I can't?
If that sounds like you,
You're not bad at English.
your brain is just trained the wrong way.
And today,
We're going to fix that.
you're going to learn how to train your brain,
To think in English naturally,
not by memorizing grammar,
not by translating sentences.
but by using English the way your brain actually learns.
Welcome back to Speak English Daily.
I'm Anna,
And I'm David.
and today's episode is going to change how you practice English forever.
But before we start,
If you want real English,
English for daily life,
English for conversations,
not school English, not exam English,
subscribe to the channel
like this episode.
and share it with someone who always says,
I understand English, but I can't speak.
all right, let's begin.
First, we need to understand one important truth.
Your brain is not slow.
Your brain is actually very smart.
The problem is,
You trained your brain to translate,
from the first day you learned English,
word by word,
sentence by sentence,
English to your language.
and back again.
So now your brain thinks,
Translation is the job.
but real speaking doesn't work like that.
Native speakers don't translate.
They react.
They feel meaning.
They respond automatically.
And you can learn this too.
But you must stop doing one dangerous thing.
Thinking in full sentences before you speak.
Most learners do this.
They try to build a perfect sentence in their head,
Grammar first,
vocabulary second,
confidence last.
and by that time,
The conversation is already gone.
instead, you must train your brain to think in chunks,
Small pieces.
ready-made English.
Let's explain. When someone asks you,
How was your day?
don't think.
How was kesatha day din?
That's too slow.
Instead, train one chunk. It was good.
That's it.
One thought.
One reaction.
No translation.
Now add one more chunk.
It was good, busy but good.
Simple.
Natural.
That's how thinking in English starts.
Now let's talk about something very important.
Your inner voice.
That voice in your head.
What language does it use?
Most learners think in their native language all day.
Then suddenly expect English to appear.
That won't happen.
You must slowly change your inner voice.
Start very small.
When you wake up, say in your head.
I'm waking up.
When you stand up,
I'm getting up.
when you eat,
I'm having breakfast.
no grammar thinking.
No translation.
Just simple present English,
This trains your brain to connect actions with English.
not with translation.
Now let's talk about thinking speed.
Many learners say,
I know English, but I can't speak fast.
speed comes from familiarity, not intelligence.
If you repeat the same simple sentences every day,
Your brain stops translating,
it recognizes patterns.
like muscle memory.
Let's practice. Say this in your head.
I don't know.
Again.
I don't know.
Now say,
I think so.
again.
I think so.
These phrases should feel automatic.
Not translated.
Now imagine a real situation.
Someone asks you a question you don't understand.
Instead of freezing,
Say, sorry, can you repeat that?
that sentence should come without thinking.
That's thinking in English.
Let's talk about listening.
Listening is how your brain learns to think.
But many learners listen the wrong way.
They listen to understand every word.
That's not how your brain works.
You don't understand every word in your own language.
You understand meaning.
So when you listen to English,
Don't pause.
don't translate.
Let it flow.
Even if you understand 60%,
That's enough.
your brain fills the gaps naturally.
This builds English thinking.
Now let's talk about speaking alone.
Yes, alone.
Many learners feel shy speaking alone.
But this is powerful.
Talk to yourself in English.
Describe what you see.
I'm walking.
I see a shop.
It's busy today.
No pressure.
No fear.
This removes mental blocks.
Now let's address a big fear.
Making mistakes.
If your brain fears mistakes,
It will never think in English.
because fear stops thinking.
You must allow mistakes.
Even wrong grammar.
Even wrong words.
Communication first.
Perfection later.
Native speakers don't stop for grammar.
Neither should you.
Now imagine this situation.
You're in a conversation.
You don't know a word.
Don't panic.
Use simple English.
Explain the idea.
It's like, when,
This keeps your brain in English.
not in translation mode.
Now let's talk about questions.
Questions are powerful.
When you ask questions,
Your brain stays active in English.
simple questions like,
What do you mean?
why?
How about you?
These are thinking tools.
Use them.
Now let's talk about daily repetition.
Thinking in English is a habit.
Habits need daily practice,
10 minutes a day is enough.
but every day.
Speak.
Listen,
Think.
in English.
Slowly, something changes.
One day,
You answer without translating.
you react naturally.
You feel lighter.
That's English thinking.
Let's end with this.
Your brain is already capable.
You learned your first language naturally.
You can learn English the same way.
Stop forcing grammar.
Start building habits
Small English.
every day.
Keep practicing with Speak English Daily.
Subscribe for real-life English.
Practice with us.
And remember,
Don't translate English.
live in English.
Your brain will follow.